Let me show you how to use Acorns Learn for tips. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how Genic. Now if you want to get tips about Acorns through the Learn section inside of it, you can either do it from the website or through the app of Acorns. For this video, I'm just going to use the website. Search for Acorns Learn on a web browser and you'll see the first website which says Learns. Now inside of the Learn section, the first thing that you can do is scroll down and look at all of the topics that are available inside of the Learn section. There are topics such as investing, retiring, savings, etc. So if you want to learn about a certain topic, you can tap on each of these topics and then tap on these articles. If you read through these articles, you can know about the topics that you just search for. But what you can also do is, apart from heading over to each topic, is if you want to learn about certain topics, you can scroll up and on the search bar, you can search for any topics that you might need. For example, if you want to know about earnings, you can search for earnings and it's going to lay out relevant articles that might help you out. So as I said, there are two sections to this. Either you can scroll down and pick a certain topic, or if you don't see the exact topic that you want to learn from, you can also search it up on the search bar so that relevant articles can pop up and you can read through them. So that's all there is to use Acorns Learn for tips. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.